Where are you going? I'm on the bus to
Billy, have you got a really long extension?
Macclesfield. I do have, yeah, but I don't know where it is.
Billy, have you got a really long extension lead?
No, won't reach from there to there, no. Might ask Brian. No. Bye bye, blue car.
Do you think I need to move the car before you take it?
No, I wouldn't bother. No, of course you don't. No, I wouldn't bother. Elliott's car's going today. I'm going to miss you, baby. I'm going to miss you. Lovely car. We used to have many fond memories of trips to Leek. And of Elliott driving off and pretending to leave me in Leek in the middle of the night. I can remember things like that. So, good riddance. Anyway, hope you have a good time in the scrapyard in the sky. This is William Hobbs signing out.